Welcome to Uncle Ace King's the fireworks show for 4th of July. I decided to do a little fireworks show for the 4th of July one as a little way of appreciating my subscribers, my likes, all that stuff. So we're going to be doing some pretty special stuff. So first, got all those lovely fireworks over there. We got our patriotic flag. And look, I changed my skin to a little patriotic Kirito with a nice white mustache. So, as you see, a flint and steel in my inventory. That'll be used for something else. No! Time says 186. Answer. Okay. I need it to be nighttime because it looks really pretty in the night. But this was supposed to be a stand with food and golden apples. There's a creeper for a reason unknown and a bunch of celebratory cake. Soon you'll find out what the creeper is for, though. Now, let's sing little Minecraft jig to start it off. Oh, see, can you see by the Minecraft in me? Oh, say it's inside. Oh, hero brings sorrow to thee. Oh, Notch, can you see by the Minecraft in me? Will the diamond heroes fight for sorrow? Oh, Notch, can't you see by the diamond in me? Oh, let Minecraft be spared from Herobrine's wrath. This great place we see to be Minecraft baby. Thank you. I practiced that for a long time now. Okay, no, that just came up on the fly. It seemed like the thing we should do for this for July bash. Okay. Now, our next event, we're saving the creeper for last and it's flint and steel for last. But our next event is going to be something very special. Hold up. We're gonna have a rocket launch, which is really fun. Okay. Rocket power. Oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. Oh god, there's my, okay. See that? That's just beautiful. Okay, now it's time to put this around here so that then, shoot, the music, hold up. Gotta turn this music off because we got a nice little radio on. Anyways, this is gonna shoot us up into the air really high. Watch carefully. That's what I'm doing here. This will be the only tutorial I do on this. You guys are looking at it right now, but this is what you do to get a... God dang it, didn't I not turn that music off? Hold up. Music and sound. Oh, shift / time set 1. Oh shoot. / time set 1. 8, 6, 6, 6. There we go. Ba bing ba boom. See, I set up the whole place except for the fireworks and the stand, but everything else was me. Shoot. This is our little 4th of July special because I'm going out of town to Austin, Texas, just to see some family, and then after that go to Mexico, Disney cruise, all that stuff. But I'm going to Austin, Texas on July 4th, which apparently, this is what my mom said, it was the cheapest time, which is actually a surprise to me. Let's go. Oh God. Oh, hey. See, I told you this thing launched you very high, and it launched me so high that I'm on top of the creeper, and this thing's like it's higher than the oh wait, almost as high as the fireworks. So yeah, I told you that would be fun. Broke my legs, but I can still walk. Don't worry. All right, next thing I'm going to do is set off a firework of our own. Oh yeah, I gotta keep my redstone torch because that's my little thing. I have to use that in the end. Oh shoot, my flint steel. Hold up. Yes, but I'm getting this video out early because I'm not gonna be here on July 4th. It's the day I go to Texas to see my grandma and my auntie Alice. I call my grandma Nana. Anyways. Where is it? Okay. Crafting table. Next step. Piece of paper. See if I can remember how to do this. I know you need a decoration and some dye. So we're going to use our celebratory colors. Lapis lazuli, and I think we can use bone meal. If not, we'll just use gray. Because I'm not really sure. I can't remember if I can use bone meal or not. Oh yeah, gunpowder. Is that it? Oh yeah, and I have to set that aside. Go to decorations. Let's use our creeper head. Shoot, it's raining. Shift. / toggle downfall. Enter. Hate when it rains. See how it ruined that fun for a second there? Gonna do it right on top. Should we do it on the creeper? Let's do it on the creeper, yeah. Like my little fireworks show. Yeah, I even changed my, oh no. Oh, okay, I still have a couple. Okay. Shift / time set. Zero 18,000. There we go. Just to keep this alive. Okay. Oh man, stopped. We'll get going again. Don't worry. about a thing. Oh shoot. I don't remember. What the heck? I'm so confused. I know you can use a firework. What? Super confused. I think. Hold up. Alright, let's try launching this firework, see how it looks. Alright. Oh yeah, see, it's got no power. No point in making a firework if it don't got power. Let's get some gunpowder and Peter. I totally forgot. I brain farted and I totally forgot how to make one. Having a bit of trouble with this one. Well, I guess we don't get what we wanted this time. Okay, now it's time for it. It's time for that little secret thing that I had planned. Shoot, where is it? Yup. Now, as you can obviously see, there's a bunch of TNT in here. This creeper is filled with a bunch of TNT. Like, even the, oh shoot, no, I guess the head doesn't. I guess the head already has it. We're gonna set it all off. I don't mind. Shoot. Okay. Gotta get a block. Let's light this popsicle stand. Oh god. Let's go. Oh god. That lag. Oh shoot. What the heck? Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh my god. It's beautiful. See? I told you. This is going to be the best 4th of July showcase ever. Oh shoot. It didn't get the brain. Do I seriously still got fireworks going? And I still have fireworks going. Yay. Oh wow. See, now that was something that you don't get a lot every day. I thought there was a creeper head still left. Okay. But that was fun. Oh man, while I was making that creeper, I was so tempted to do that every single time. Oh no, half of the flag is gone. All right. Well, that was pretty much what I wanted to do for this video, as a little celebration for the for 4th of July, because 4th of July is a very important time in our history. It's when we were, at the time, there was one point in time in history where there were slaves, sadly, and all of that stuff, where America wasn't like America. It was a land that was owned by Britain, and so we fought back the British and we won, and look at us today. Now I'm here celebrating exploding a model creeper on Minecraft, doing all this stuff because of America's great accomplishment. But that's my little celebration for the 4th of July. I don't know, I totally forgot where I downloaded this map. I think it might have been on the forums or on Plant Minecraft, I can't remember. But it was a nice little fireworks show. And once again, like I said, I made the creeper. But the stadium right there, the stadium that was there that I was sitting on in the first place, and these firework things that continuously go weren't me. But I do know how to make a firework. I just totally forgot. But yeah, I just want to spend a bit of time at this 4th of July little evening. Should we blow the rest of the flag up? I have a temptation to blow the rest of the flag up. And yeah, I don't at the same time. Alright, hold up. It's time we burn this popsicle stand slash. Wait, I'm gonna still have that at nighttime. Enter. Woo! Yeah! Hold up. Yay! 4th of July! Watching the fireworks show. Alright. Anyways. C. F5. But see, this is Ace King here telling you to have a good night and have a happy 4th of July. Woo! I'll be shooting some videos in Texas, of course, doing a little cruise vlog and Mexico vlog for all our viewers out there. But let me just give you the gist of Mexico. Beach. Every day. All day. 2 people. Me. My mom. Beach. Every day. All day. No complaints. Maybe a bit of pool upstairs. But yeah. See you guys later. Hope you guys, like I said 1,000 million times, hope you guys have a happy 4th of July. Well, it was great doing this video with you guys, or doing the video, but have a great 4th of July, like I said once again 1,000,000 times, and goodbye.